like almost a football field away, and he crashed, and oh, there we go. Perfect. He knew he didn't have a close enough angle on that last one. You guys think he's done? All right, people. This is it. The DASA. It has had a terrible time racing the Sea Rat. We found that it's needed to be fixed up on the engine compartment. Jacob believes he's got her all fixed up. So today is kind of the test of that. We're hoping that it'll do what it's really supposed to be able to do. And he should be able to tell us pretty quickly if it's performing properly. We expect that that engine should make a fair bit of horsepower. Right now he's bringing it up onto shore because we want to do the thumbnail for you guys. We got to get that clickbaity, beautiful thumbnail.
You shallow people won't watch the videos unless you got a pretty...
So I'm going to have to film from right here. So you're going to want to turn the ski in a different way so I can see the motor.
You know, I'm going to tell you guys something on YouTube. When I go through and look at for like YouTube videos on the page screen that shows boating videos, you know what the ones are that get like a gajillion views? It's always like some girl in a bikini fishing, and there's like a million views of that stuff. You shallow people aren't watching enough JetSki Brothers.
Yeah.
I guess you aren't, but your buddies that are watching only like those fishing movies, that's not. You need to talk to your friends, all right?
Hey, maybe
we
could
use all 1 million of them views.
Maybe we should stop playing the victim card and just go ahead and get a girl in a bikini for our thumbnails.
Well,
give the people what they want.
We gotta get
bikinis.
I don't know. Yeah. I don't know how to.
Yeah. All right. That was a conversation killer. All right, let's talk about this DASA motor.
You seen it?
There it is.
Again.
It looks extra dirty and scrubby in there.
Yeah, that's because it's freezing out here and it's hard to get out and work on stuff when, you know, you got like snot sickles coming out of your nose, and it's just, you know,
how do we
do it when it's also...
All right, get your face down by that motor for this thumbnail shot and really give us the I'm cooler than you. All right, I'm just hoping that'll work out. If you guys enjoyed that thumbnail,
guys, you know what the best part is? I'm gonna show you the best part. All right.
I'm not going on this video.
Maybe you should put that on April Fool's.
I had to cut out a part of the video. Jacob wanted to point out a dog turd to us all.
Yeah. Take that, you not the good viewers, but the bad ones. You know, all you guys that aren't.
You're literally punishing our viewers.
That's for you guys who are thinking of the good comments, but you're not writing them down.
Oh, okay.
This thing seems to be running a lot better.
Yeah, well, let's get that hood on before she fills up with water then, eh?
Well, good thing I got my nice full resting device right now. Exactly.
Now, I'm going to give this over to you for head cam. I don't want to have this 20 miles away third-person view.
All right. For those of you who don't know, it's actually quite chilly out here. And you're not supposed to warm these DASAs up for a while before you really rip them, so I'm going to do that. It feels right, though. It feels pretty right. Probably not going to spend as much time warming it up as I did when I first got it. When it was a nice new thing and I was more timid about keeping it nice, I was worried about it more. Now I'm hardened and I don't care. I don't care. How do you tell? Is the water that's warm that's coming out of the fissure? I don't know. Good check. I think all the videos, most of them I have of this are boring, probably mostly. This is going to be the first good video of it though, I hope. fishing. It's something that I probably should have done. Make sure there's water coming out of the piston. That's been a bad thing that happened one time is I had it come undone and it started running poorly. And this is also the worst speed to ride in any shop at all. Man, every little wave sends you somewhere on it. Alright, I don't know what to say. I'm gonna...
Jacob's popped the hood. He's taking a look. I was just talking about how it seemed pretty darn fast top speed wise, but wasn't sure about the acceleration out there. And apparently he's not pleased. 100% pleased with it. It doesn't seem like it's really too hot or anything.
It's fairly hot.
I do see a lot of black stuff leaking out of the exhaust manifold or the power valves.
Yeah, well, that's kind of normal.
Like, it looks like it's leaking exhaust everywhere on that exhaust manifold.
Well,
on the head where they connect, you know.
the way it is.
Comment below if that's normal for your DASA to leak stuff out of the exhaust manifold in every gasketed area.
Nobody that watches our videos has one of these.
Oh, I think they do. I think they do.
All you DASA owners in the comments, get your tails out of the woodwork and start talking. Tell us about yours.
Yeah, or tell us about how ours is crappy.
Yeah. Why is ours crappy? We're gonna go again.
I guess he's going without the camera. I don't.
Right.
Well, if you want me to record, you better keep her tight in close. What do you guys think? Is that pretty good broppage for a DASA? I'm not convinced. You know, Jacob almost convinced Jason to buy a 1200 Yamaha DASA for Jason's round nose Superjet. And it's kind of too bad that didn't happen. That would have been a sweet setup. We all know that Jason may have taken a bit longer to put his together. And then it will only have taken maybe a lot less time to get it all tuned up perfect for if he had done it. But yeah, I don't know if I should say that. I'm very proud of Jacob for all the swaps that he's done. I think it's really great that he just goes after stuff and gets it done. So I'm very happy and pleased and proud of him for really doing all this stuff. I mean, there's something to be said for getting it done right, but there's also something to be said for just getting it done. And then letting somebody else make it right. Oh, he's going in. Oh, he went in. He's probably done riding now. Fortunately, we are about quite a ways away, like almost a football field away, and he crashed and oh, there we go. Perfect. He knew he didn't have a close enough angle on that last one. You guys think he's done? You guys think he's done? Let's find out if he's done. I don't know if he's done.
Freaking 650's a piece of junk. Those 650s, these are stupid. It's so cold. They handle like such guzzling garbage. This weather sucks. It's so cold.
Gosh, this is his instant reaction. This is real reality TV.
Freaking freezing out there.
Oh, what a fun day, huh?
Talk about the worst ski you could put a huge engine into.
Yeah, but the best one is right there. Oh, what a beautiful, beautiful ski. What do you guys think's inside? Oh, yeah. If you've seen any of our videos, you know this is the Sea Rat. It has a different paint job on each side. Why don't you guys let us know which one you like better? The original kind of crap paint job, which I like, or this kind of modified newer version of the paint job. That's it for the DASA. I don't know. You know, that's it. See ya.